So if your content, okay, whether 6 chapter, 9 chapter, that will solve that problem, then that is okay. Okay, because here's the truth: no one will know. Nobody will know if your content is really what people, how would I say this? There will always be a risk, rather, that when you go out there will be some of your part of your book that may not be, or sabihin na nating mayroong hindi magiging masaya. Tanong ko, paano po ninyo malalaman kung ang isang produkto ay magugustuhan ng tao? Paano po ninyo malalaman? You have to sell it first. Feedback, that is good. Feedback, okay. Pero how would they get a feedback? How would you get a feedback from them? That is right. There's a sale. What is our goal? Version 2.0. If you did your job, you found the problem, you provided a solution, move on. Our goal is not perfectionism. Our goal is not to become a New York Times bestseller. Okay? Our goal is to create a product as soon as we can, so we can start selling. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.